Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Cadillac Escalade key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process for replacing your key fob battery. Having the right tools ready saves time and prevents frustration. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once pressed, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the fob. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for opening the key fob casing. Keep the emergency key in a safe place. Now look for a small notch located near where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be careful not to use excessive force. Finally, observe the orientation of the old battery before carefully removing it. The battery is a CR2032, and it typically sits with the positive side facing up. Insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and gently snap them back together until they are secure. Test your fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.